Magandang gabi po. Nagkabangayan kanina sa plenaryo sina Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile at Senador Antonio Trillanes IV. Nagsimula ang iringan sa isyu ng paghahati ng Camarines Sur, pero nauwi ang sagutan sa umunay pakikialam ni Trillanes sa agawan ng teritoryo ng Pilipinas at China sa West Philippine Sea.
At matapos magbitiw sa Mayorya ng nakababatang senador, tuluyan na ito nag-walk out. Si Enrile naman ibinunyaga umano'y pagkampi ni Trillanes sa China. Mula sa Senado, nakatutok live si Jam Sisante. Jam!
Yes, Mel Igan, nagkainitan nga sa huling sesyon ng Senado ang pinakabata at pinakamatandang senador dito sa Senado. Nagsimula yan nang tumayo sa Senador Antonio Trillanes IV para magbigay ng kanyang privilege speech kung saan tinutuligsa niya ang pamumuno ni Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile. Lalo na ang pagtulong nito sa gusto ng ilang kongresista na maipasa na ang bill na gagawa ng isa pang probinsya na tatawaging Nueva Camarines. Sa galit, tumayo si Enrile at binasa ang umunay notes ni Philippine Ambassador to China na si Sonia Brady tungkol sa umunoy pagpupulong nila Trillanes tungkol sa negosasyon ni Trillanes sa China.
Gusto ko happy ka. Iyan po ang campaign slogan ng ating Senate President nung siya ay kandidato pa noong 2010 elections. Bumenta po iyan. Marami pong sumakay dyan. Pero nakakalungkot, sa pagpatakbo ng Senado, malayo ito sa katotohanan. Kasi po, ang kalakaran talaga dito ay kung gusto ko, isasagasa ko, kung ayaw ko, uupuan ko.
Isang local bill ang dahilan kung bakit kwenestyon ni Senador Trillanes sa plenaryo mismo ang pamamalakad ni Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile. Inakusahan ni Trillanes si Enrile ng pagmamadali sa pagpasa ng panukalang naghahati sa Camarines Sur at bumubuo ng isang bagong probinsya ng Nueva Camarines, bagay na tinututulan ni Trillanes. Noong July 24, nagpatawag pa raw si Enrile ng caucus para lang pag-usapan ng CAMSUR bill. Pakiramdam ni Trillanes, hindi nabigyang pansin ang posisyon niya sa issue.
Without elaborating on the details of what happened in that caucus, suffice to say that I was shoved aside for the end time. Ito na naman po, kung gusto ko, isasagasa ako. I got out of that caucus feeling trampled upon by a bully determined to get his way.
Base raw sa isang news report sa dyaryo, si dating Pangulong Gloria Macapagal Arroyo ang nagtutulak kay Enrile na ipasa na agad ang CAMSUR bill. Dahil wala na raw tiwala si Trillanes kay Enrile, nagbitiw ito mula sa mayorya ng Senado.
Either way, I have lost trust, faith, and confidence in Senator Enrile's capability to lead the Senate along the path consistent with the reform agenda that I espouse. I therefore manifest that I am leaving the majority and consequently joining the minority effective this day.
Hindi ikinatuwa ni Enrile ang mga akusasyon ni Trillanes. Pawang mga kasinungalingan daw ang sinasabi ni Trillanes. Dagdag pa ni Enrile, galit lang si Trillanes sa kanya dahil hindi niya pinagbigyan ng nais ni Trillanes na dagdagan ang budget ng kanyang oversight committee. Pero pinaka nagpainit ng usapan ng dalawang senador nang batikusin ni Enrile ang pagiging umano'y back-channel negotiator ni Trillanes para sa Pilipinas at China tungkol sa issue ng West Philippine Sea. Nagsagutan ng dalawa nang magtangka si Enrile na basahin ang umano'y notes ni U.S. Ambassador to China Sonia Brady ng kanilang meeting ni Trillanes noong August 12.
You went to China, you asked the ambassador of the Philippines there, Madam Brady, for a meeting, and you said do not take notes during our conversation, and you called the Secretary of Foreign Affairs a traitor. In fact, you told me that he committed treason.
Yes, it was an executive session and we're not supposed to divulge what's happening in
I will read it to the record your conversation with Brady and his notes to the Department of Foreign Affairs.
It's supposed to be a confidential matter.
Yes, but there's nothing confidential.
Even in the executive meeting, cabinet meeting, in the cabinet meeting in Malacanang, Mr. President, I will refuse to answer if that's
because
going
you
to be the
cannot
line.
answer the
No,
questions
because
I'm going
it's
to ask
going
you
to
about
be
your
improper.
meeting.
Sa galit ni Trillanes, nag-walk out ito sa Senado.
You cannot take the hit. He's a coward.
Si Enrile hindi nagpatinag at pinagpatuloy ang pagbasa ng notes ni Brady kahit pinalalahanan siya ni Senador Alan Peter Cayetano na posibleng confidential ang mga ito.
May I also just put on record that, or ask the chair, the Mr. President, that if some of these things we're discussing now affects national security, although I deeply regret that this is happening, I deeply understand, Mr. President, the sensitivities being taken place.
Your Honor, I've been
Yes, sir.
in charge of national security in this country before you were born. And I know what I'm talking about.
Inakusahan ni Enrile si Trillanes ng pagkampi sa China.
Trillanes wanted everything that was happening in Scarborough to be made secret so that it will protect the interest of the Chinese. Pinoy did not know of the arrangements being made by the senator. Imagine talking to an enemy of a potential enemy of this country 16 times. What did he discuss with these people? Who initiated the discussion? Did he? Or did they? Did they pay for his trip to Beijing? Huh? He should answer. That's why he could not be here, because I'm going to ask him. My God, this guy is a fraud.
Base daw sa notes ni Ambassador Brady, sinabi daw ni Trillanes na sa Pilipinas, walang pakialam ang mga tao kung mapa sa atin ang panatag show.
Pilipino ba yan? Makabayan ba yan? My God, what kind of a senator is this? Trillanes told the Chinese that we cannot enforce our coastal protection. That is the kind of a Filipino senator you have here. He told the Chinese that we cannot enforce our coastal protection. Our fishermen are living on subsistence fishing. They cannot therefore fish too far.
Mel, sabi niya Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile ay wala raw silang sanctions na i-impose dito kay Senador Trillanes. Pero sabi ni Enrile ay mangangampanya siya laban dito kay Trillanes para ipakita niya sa publiko or sasabihin niya sa publiko kung ano ang karakter nitong si Senador Trillanes. Mel?
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Jam si Sante.